have reviewed a box or product, but today I was able to find decent headphones, earbuds mostly, for a good price on Amazon. I saved up some point, get some points. It was a deal. Got it for $10. This is the headphones I got. G333 from Logitech. League of Legends Edition color on Amazon for a good price. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested to get the earbuds. Yeah. I got a damaged box. No, it sucks, right? But it's not a big deal. Hmm? So this headphones supposedly have a double dynamic driver, a 5.8 millimeter and a 9.2 millimeter driver for clarity and booming bass, right? I mean, so I guess it's like one driver would be for high and mids, and the second driver would be for bass. This is the box itself. Pretty nice. Except that dent. That's alright. Let's open this. See what's inside, y'all. Got my tiny blade. This tiny blade is all I need. Shoo! There we go. Nice and cracking. Alright. This is what's inside. There's an A and B. A, B, A, B, A, B. And I guess it's an adapter. So an adapter. Yeah. So you could connect to an aux and a USB-C. Straight, right? Straightforward. Your earbuds are pretty look nice. They're white. Nice and clean. Alright, look at that. G logo. He's out. Don't wanna rip the earbuds on your first open. Throw that to the side. Just bring that closer. Damn, that looks nice. Be pretty. Not big. Decent size. Cable. White cable. Flat. ABA. Your buttons. Everything's flat. That's your auxiliary. Inside the box, we get a tiny bag for your headphones or whatever you want to use it for. You get an adapter here, the aux, and USB-C. Then you got more pieces right there. This should probably look the same size. I'm sure it gotta be a smaller difference. Let's connect this guys on the phone. Let's see how do they sound like. On the phone. Come in. Let's do some Apex. Leave them right next to the mic. So here's the difference. Yeah, you come here. This bad boy. Alright, this is me talking. And this is the volume of the headphones. About like 6 inches away from the mic. Right, I'm gonna move closer on the mic. I'm not sure you're able to hear that. But like for the sound, let me see. For high, it sounds pretty loud. Sound pretty loud. That gunshot is like bothers my ear. Sounds really loud. Let's get some grenades. Crack grenade. The the breaking of the shield. It's really loud for sure. There's like can't hear much of the bass. Um, try something different. All I could say is like it sounds loud. That's for sure. Bass can't really be able to tell. Maybe I need some kind of music, but or a different game. But I mean, I like it. I got the headphones mostly for some, not for gaming, more for like, the computer for listening to things. Like probably some gaming on the side. But I mean, if you save some money and like get on a sale, I'll probably recommend it. Because like right now, you probably get it for like 49.99, and they add another colors like white, purple, green, or black earbuds. Because this is from the League of Legends King. Hope you guys like this. It's a short one. Been a while. I gotta look for more products to review. Let me guys. If you guys get the headphones, let me know what you guys think. I will give it like a 3 star out of 5, like something like that, like a 3.5 out of 5 stars. Because like the pricing is kind of expensive. They're loud. They're pretty loud. I kind of have to lower the volume of the game. And let me know if you guys like it or not.